TEHILLIM, Psalms 60 verse 1-12. O Elohim, you have rejected us, you have broken us, you have been displeased, turn back to us. You have made the earth tremble, you have broken it, heal its breaches, for it is shaken. You have let your people see hardship, you have made us drink the wine of trembling. You have given a banner to those who fear you, that it might be lifted up because of the truth. Selah. That those you love might be rescued, save with your right hand and answer me. Elohim has spoken in his set-apartness, I exult, I portion out Shechem and measure out the valley of Succos. Gilead is mine and Manasseh is mine, and Ephraim is the defense of my head, Yehudah is my inscriber. Moab is my washpot, over Edom I cast my shoe, shout loud, O Philistia, because of me. Who would bring me to the strong city? Who shall lead me to Edom? Have not you, O Elohim, rejected us? And you do not go out, O Elohim, with our armies. Give us help from distress, for the help of man is not. In Elohim we do mightily, and he treads down our adversaries.